Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple but delicious cake, which is the hummingbird cake. It's also one of my favorites and very easy to make. So let's get started. For the hummingbird cake, we are going to be using ripe banana, oil, eggs, pineapple, vanilla essence, flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, cinnamon powder and walnuts. We take the banana which is ripe in a bowl, and using an electric beater I'm just going to swirl it around till it gets a little mashed. The banana is slightly mashed. To it I will add the oil, the sugar, the vanilla essence and the eggs, and we will beat this again. Now the batter is fully mixed up, so to this I will add the flour, the salt, baking powder, cinnamon powder and the pineapple which I have chopped right now, and I will mix this thoroughly. I will mix it thoroughly using a spatula till everything is mixed across. While the mixing is going on, we can even add the walnuts. I am taking an 8-inch tin which I have lined and greased with butter paper. To this we will add the batter and we will put it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes till it's done, which you will basically check by inserting a toothpick or a skewer right in the middle, and if it comes out clean, means your cake is done. While the hummingbird cake is baking, we will make the frosting and keep it. For the frosting we are going to be using icing sugar, lemon zest, pineapple juice, butter, little cream and walnuts. First, to start with, I will take the butter and melt that in the microwave. Okay, I have melted the butter in the microwave. I will put this over here in the bowl which has the icing sugar. I will put in the lemon zest, the cream and the pineapple juice, and this we will just mix it around with the spatula till it has all mixed well. Everything has come together. We will take the walnuts, put all of it and just mix it gently, and as you can see, my frosting for the hummingbird cake is ready. Once the cake is out of the oven and it's cooled down slightly, we will apply this all over and serve it. The hummingbird cake is ready, and once it has cooled, I have put the icing on top and I have left it aside for about half an hour for the icing to set. We are going to be cutting the cake. This icing is so nice, it totally sets up like a fudge icing. See the gorgeous texture of the hummingbird cake, and it's absolutely delightful to eat. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।